Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Diya Prelims initiative, the current affairs initiative for CSC Prelims 2023. Hope you all are following the PYQ series as well, and we are getting very good response and messages from all of you that how helpful it is. Use करो, अच्छे से revision हो जाएगा. And today we are going to talk about the critically endangered species which were in news. ठीक है? So we'll take the help of the question and through that we will try to understand that क्या न्यूज़ में था, क्यों न्यूज़ में था. Okay, so here we have the question in front of us. The question says that consider the following species and consider the following species: Indian skimmer, white-bellied heron, Indian Himalayan griffon, Dattatreya night frog. Out of these you have to tell which of the above species are critically endangered, 1 and 4, 2 and 4, then 1, 3 and 4 or all. ठीक है? तो even if you don't know the answer, try to take a guess. Educated guess लो, elimination करो, do whatever you want to do and एक stand लेते हैं. गलत हुआ तो क्या होगा? याद रह जाएगा हमेशा के लिए. ये सही है तो सही है. Okay, let's discuss it one by one. So starting with the Indian skimmer, नाम से क्या लगता है? क्या है? Reptile है, bird है. But now you can tell. So Indian skimmer is a bird जो ऐसे colorful bird है. And it was in news because Godavari estuary in Andhra Pradesh became the prime habitat for Indian skimmers. And this has been highlighted by the experts. Experts are saying that 250 Indian skimmers have been recorded and they are there in the endangered species. Here also Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary they were sighted. So Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary अगर आता है कहाँ है? So it is in Andhra Pradesh, Godavari estuary, Indian skimmer, IUCN status endangered. Now you know why they were in news and what all details you should have with respect to Indian skimmer. Coming to our second option, and the second option was with respect to this white-bellied heron. So 73 species critically endangered in India says center in Rajya Sabha somewhere in December. However, it is not at all important कि अब ये 73 species आपको याद रखने हैं. Not at all important. जो भी न्यूज़ में है सबसे पहले उनको प्रायोरिटी देंगे. किसी का अगर प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है फिर उसको प्रायोरिटी देंगे. Then if at all जो मेजर स्पीशीज हैं जिनको हम पढ़ते पढ़ते याद कर लेते हैं उनको इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे. So this way you will filter कि which all species you have to remember. If we talk about white-bellied heron, they are found in Namdhapa Tiger Reserve, Arunachal Pradesh, and this species is only found in Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. Okay, so this is you should remember that they are found in Arunachal Pradesh and Assam only. And नामधापा में इसकी स्टडी हुई थी तो नामधापा के स्टडी की वजह से ये न्यूज में था. If we talk about rare Himalayan griffon vulture rescued in Kanpur, this was the news. This is the news coming from January 9th. Now the statement is rare Himalayan griffon vulture. Rare वो sighting के लिए है. But what is the IUCN status? The same article was telling that it is listed as the near threatened on the IUCN red list. IUCN की red list में it is near threatened. अगर आपने ये आर्टिकल डिटेल में नहीं पढ़ा है and if UPSC gives it in the option, we will be like अरे कभी तो जनवरी में it was in news, oh faint memory, and yes Kanpur rare, it is endangered or critically endangered. That's why the Hindu article was talking about rare. ठीक है, but ये है हमारे Himalayan griffon, but the status is near threatened. Ruled out हो गया. But if the question says Indian vulture, this is Indian vulture. It is a very general, like vulture की बहुत सारी variety है. But if the statement itself is talking about Indian vulture, then mark it. Indian vulture is critically endangered. ठीक है? So Indian vulture आ जाता है. We will be like बहुत देखा है, गांव में देखा है, this that. We will in the examination hall on the hot seat we start applying a lot of logic. बचपन का, स्कूल का, कॉलेज का, some discussion. Then we will mark it wrong. Okay, Indian vulture, how it is critically endangered? Yeah, it is Indian and endemic, and we have often seen it, but it is critically endangered. Indian vulture. ठीक है? Next species Again, in the same article, it was mentioned about Dattatreya night frog. It is found in the Shola forest around the Dattatreya Pita in Chikmagalur district of Karnataka, and it is still known only till now. That is the only area in the Western Ghats from where this Dattatreya night frog is coming. So they have been found there only. So they are also critically endangered. ठीक है, सारे species clear हो गए. Now if we talk about or revisit the question again, then Indian skimmer, endangered. White-bellied heron, critically endangered. Indian Himalayan griffon, near threatened. But Indian vulture, अगर इस statement की जगह Indian vulture होता, critically endangered. Dattatreya night frog, critically endangered. So we have white-bellied heron as a critically endangered and Dattatreya night frog critically endangered. So our answer is B. But again I am telling you, ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे याद होंगी चीजें. If it is Indian vulture, then the answer will be 1, 3, 4. So be very careful that what is given in the answer. And there is no need at all to mug up the species. That is cost benefit analysis or cost benefit wise also, that is not wise. ऐसे ही याद करो, कभी कोई चीज न्यूज में मिलेगी, कोई चीज फेमस होगी, कोई प्रोजेक्ट आएगा, दैट वे यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेंबर, रिकॉल. ठीक है, एंड द ऑप्शंस विल बी फ्रेम्ड इन सच अ मैनर दैट यू वुड बी एबल टू एलिमिनेट. तो एटलीस्ट ये क्लैरिटी हुई दैट व्हाई वी आर डिस्कसिंग इंडेंजर्ड कौन से हैं, क्रिटिकली इंडेंजर्ड कौन से हैं, नियर थ्रेटेंड कौन से हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज इट गाइज इन टुडेज वीडियो. होप it was helpful for you, at least in giving the direction, covering some aspect of the current affairs and giving you a perspective that whenever you are revising, in what manner and how you should revise. Okay, so this is it. Revise well, make use of, take the help of all the videos which we are coming up with, and stay tuned. See you all. Bye bye.